Have you ever felt like you're drowning in a sea of tasks, with deadlines looming like thunderclouds on the horizon? You're definitely not alone. Many of us, whether we're managing small teams or tackling solo projects, have been there. The chaos of juggling multiple tasks without a clear plan can be overwhelming. So how do we bring order to this chaos and stay on top of our game? That's where AI tools like Notion AI and ClickUp AI come into play. Today, we're diving into how these tools can help you plan and manage your work projects effectively, even if you're just starting with AI. First off, let's address the elephant in the room. Why should you even care about AI for project management? The simple answer is efficiency. In a world where deadlines are constant and the stakes are high, using AI can transform how you organize and prioritize tasks. This video will guide you step by step on using AI tools to create project timelines, assign tasks, and track progress. This isn't just about tips and tricks. It's about empowering you to take control of your workflow. Okay, picture this. You're working on a group assignment for university, or maybe you're leading a small team at work. Everyone's floundering, unsure of their roles, and deadlines are creeping up fast. Here's where Notion AI shines. Imagine opening Notion and letting it assist in drafting a project timeline. You start by entering the major milestones. These could be as simple as research, draft, review, and final submission. Let Notion AI fill in gaps, suggesting intermediate steps and timelines, considering the typical duration each task might need. Now, let's talk about assigning tasks. ClickUp AI takes this to another level by not only helping you delegate tasks, but also providing insights on workload distribution. For example, say you're managing a small remote team working on a software rollout. You input the tasks, and ClickUp AI analyzes who's doing what and suggests reassignments where workloads are uneven. It's like having an intelligent project manager nudging you toward productive decisions. Tracking progress often becomes a hassle, especially in larger projects. Here's where both Notion and ClickUp AI come into their own. They let you set automatic reminders and notifications for deadlines, keeping everyone in the loop. Imagine getting a prompt at just the right moment, preventing any last-minute panic or indeed ensuring that you don't miss out on a task because someone, maybe you, let it slip through the cracks. I know what you might be thinking. This sounds great in theory, but can it really work for me? Well, let's consider Jane, a marketing coordinator juggling multiple campaigns for a small startup. By adopting Notion AI, she structured her campaign timelines down to daily tasks, harnessed ClickUp AI to fairly distribute tasks among her lean team, and effectively kept track of progress through the built-in dashboard. This system cut her stress levels in half while significantly boosting her productivity. Now, I bet that got you thinking about starting right away with AI. But before you jump in, I'd love to hear from you. Are you currently using any AI tools in your project management? If so, what's been your experience? Drop a comment below with your thoughts or questions. Also, if you're finding these insights helpful, make sure to hit that like button and consider subscribing for more straightforward, actionable content on using AI in your work and life. In closing, mastering AI for project management isn't just about keeping your tasks organized. It's about freeing up mental space, allowing you to focus more on creative and strategic aspects of your projects. It's an investment in efficiency that pays dividends in productivity and peace of mind. So next time you find yourself in turbulence, remember you have tools that can help you soar above the chaos. Thanks for sticking around today. Your engagement means the world to me and helps this channel grow. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to share it with someone who might need a little AI magic in their work life. And of course, subscribe for more nuggets of wisdom on harnessing AI like a pro. Catch you in the next one!